I don't know why you put foam.
It's okay.
That's what I meant.
Food coloring, glitter, confetti, and other fun mixing. That's just optional though. We
Okay.
boring, and so we just doing food coloring.
Okay.
I put this. That's one of my favorite.
Girl, what is you?
You didn't come this far. Tell me to come this far.
That's right. Good job. I like that.
Oh, fun fact about slime is the number one fact is there are more than 900 species of slime mold in the world. Number two is slime in nature is called mucus, and you have some in your nose right now. Mucus.
That's right.
And then the third one is slug slime serves many purposes for the slug: protection, communication, food, transportation, hydration, and more.
I love this slide. I like how you brought in life science, okay, and associated it with science and something living. Nice job.
Chloe, you look very smart. This is the chemical formula of slime. It's Na2B407 10.
I didn't say nothing. I'm just in awe.
H2O, and then that's like what it looks like.
Very good.
And then that's the
You should have added the sound to it. Okay, now we finna make it.
That's your
Alright,
wallpaper.
now it's time
That
to
is my wallpaper.
make it.
Okay, yeah. So there's no exact measurements. It just depends on.
Okay, listen up. She's teaching.
So there's no exact measurements for anything. It's just how much you want, right? So do you have a mixing thing?
Give me a minute to go back to this.
Okay, so first, y'all. Hey, go back there. Hey, pay attention. Okay. Hey. Okay. So you want to put your glue open?
Yeah. So you open it blue. We'll wait.
Okay, it don't matter. So you get your glue. Okay, I'll do this first. You come in here.
Why are you putting it in the cups?
Because
we don't got no bowl.
Why you in my business?
That's really liquidy glue.
Girl, blue is a liquid. Are you sure? Girl. She is like. Y'all playing with sticky white stuff over there? And so after you decide
Next, you gonna add your shaving cream.
you gonna add the shaving cream.
Okay, y'all.
The shaving foam.
Cream, y'all.
Can I use that?
Never forget the means for slime work the best. Okay?
We'll see what we can do later in a minute.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, girls, here we go.
And then just
So you add
it depends.
Don't let it explode like what's her name's in.
There you go. And then Chloe. Of course, you got like the most.
Okay. Now you want to add your activator, which is your eye contact.
Okay, so this is the first one I've been, sorry. This is the first one that I've seen with contact solution, so
I'm basic. This is how I'm making these notes.
I like it.
Okay. So,
I love that on you,
and you might have to add
No, we don't put stuff on people's
along
clothes.
the way. Do you have a pencil?
And you are willing to sacrifice.
So I can
Not a pencil.
open that up. So I'm gonna do orange. What you gonna do? Okay, you can do
So I'm doing yellow and red food coloring.
We're right gonna be like me. I said I was gonna do
I
orange.
thought you all was already yellow.
Which is orange? Exactly. If it's be more specific.
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Do red and blue.
Yeah, purple or blue. I'm gonna make purple. They told me.
Okay, then I'll make orange.
Hey, I need a lot because I feel like it's not gonna turn out pretty if I don't.
Okay, now I'm gonna add my stuff. And don't add too much. Well, I don't really like it.
Okay. And so that's what it looks like.
Oh!
Maybe it was me.
Wait, let me see.
Mine look cool.
Y'all,
That's so blue.
yours look like a girl. Bye.
Okay.
So now we can.
Now y'all wanna get it and y'all wanna mix it. Okay?
Don't be judging. We
Yes, a pencil.
y'all. Y'all said this was gonna be purple. It's blue.
This
It
You
doesn't
put
have too much glue.
This smell like
My fault.
look how it smells.
Get the tattoo.
Yes, y'all.
Oh
my God.
Did you already put activator in it?
Okay, y'all can add a new activator if y'all want to
I
add.
think I need some more because it's not working. I feel like I'm gonna turn into iron. Add red? Well, that was a lot of it.
Brayden, move your big forehead.
So, what is the contact solution actually doing? Is it driving the reaction? Okay, so it's the activator. So are we getting any temperature change?
No, the temperature's staying the exact same. All you're doing is just mixing more chemicals.
The slime doesn't start getting cold?
It does.
That's a temperature change. Because the heat is going within to drive the equation.
You're just like,
I know what I'm doing.
bro. Not me not knowing that.
So I want you to describe the temperature.
Oh, maybe some more glue.
I didn't even know.
Yeah.
That's always what you say if you're asking a question like that. Yeah. And if you get wrong, oh, I would just didn't.
I'm speaking. That's my main answer.
No,
Oh.
I'd be like, oh, I was just
I don't know if
kind
they
of
know
struggling right now.
But,
Bob's struggling all the time.
Are you sure?
It's okay.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put it on the desk.
She gonna put it on the desk.
Y'all stop playing with
According to so awesome.
You added too much coloring.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, that's not a pitch.
How you gonna take it off? I'll do it too.
My bracelet.
Is it slime?
Wait, what are you thinking?
Slime.
Actually,
you only added a lot.
Okay, y'all. Y'all ready? I'm gonna put it on the table.
Whoa! It's Chloe. Sing it out. It ain't Chloe. It's okay.
Okay.
Chloe. Kayla, move.
Okay, y'all. This hurts.
Ayana!
Give me some shaving cream and some contact lenses.
Man, I don't know why you're yelling. You ain't need no more shaving cream.
Don't tell me what I need.
It's so satisfactory. It looks like a freaking volcano.
You're gonna have to desk it and start working it, Alasia.
Put it on the desk.
Bro, what if I start dying?
Kayla, help me.
Somebody give me some
Sorry,
more.
hold my blanket.
I told y'all I don't know what I'm. I told y'all.
Bro.